Yes, definitely, big yes. You're just here for you, and you can really connect with yourself in a very trusted environment, which feels really safe and guided by professional people who really know what they're doing. Enabled me to really trust and let it all go.
I would wholeheartedly recommend the deep dive. It's a unique combination of connection, of insights, of movement, of dance, of celebration, of joy. Really well put together, and I would wholeheartedly recommend it to anybody who wants to take his life to the next level.
Yes, definitely. For everyone who is willing to go for it, to change, or even to find out what is actually, oppressing yourself, your life, I would definitely say go for the deep dive.
Absolutely, 100%. Do yourself a big lifetime favor and come to deep dive.
I know that I would recommend it 100%. So if you're not here, I don't know what you're doing.